Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm here with a new thing about programming in Arduino, that is if and else. Hope you will understand clearly. Actu- um, Actually, what is this if and else? It is also a part of programming, but it is more important than the other things. It is like a conditional statement. Means suppose many times you use these two words if and else in your daily life. Sometimes you say that if that boy goes there, you will not go there. Else you can go there. Like this condition, you can use these conditions here also, if and else. So let me make you understand in Proteus. Okay, it's opening. Okay, now let's take a Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno. Okay, Arduino Uno. Now I will take a variable resistance. Come down, see here register. Come down, see variable. Again come down, see port HT. This one. Click OK. See. Now some of you have a question. What kind of resistance is this? It looks like a resistance, but what kind of is it? Actually, it's a variable resistance. Okay, in the picture hope you can see a variable resistance. In real life variable resistance are like this, but in Proteus these are like this, but both of them have three pins. This one is the signal, this one is the power, this one is the ground. So if I connect the signal pin with okay, no, not digital pin. Okay, as it's here I will connect it with analog pin A0. You can connect it with digital pin also, but as it's near here I have written it. But if you connect it here, you just have to make a little bit difference in the code. When where you will write analog read, as I have connected it here, you will have to write digital read. Okay, now let's complete the circuit. Ground. So as the ground and power is near, I will give the connection to the Arduino also. You can give it or not, no problem, but for completing the circuit I have given. So now we will again take a ready. I will make you understand after completing the circuit. Ready blue. Okay, let's connect it with pin number 13. Okay, now go ground. Okay, now let me make you understand. Here you can see there is 50%. It is written 50%, isn't it? It is the value at present in the variable resistance. In some amplifiers, music amplifier, you have seen such type of variable resistance. So this also like that. You can move and decrease and increase the sound. So here also we can increase. See, now it's 50%, 55%. Sorry. So oh, sorry. Now, according to as we have connected with the Arduino, if we increase the value, it will send the value to the Arduino. And if you write in the code that if the percentage is less than 50, then turn on the light. So this is also a conditional statement, means if the variable resistance come down at 40 or less than 50, less than 50%, the light will be turned on. But in the Arduino will not receive like 50 or 30 or 40 like this. It will receive like 500. Now see, there is 50% means the Arduino will receive 500. If there is 100%, it will receive 1000. If there is 56, uh, if there is 56, it will receive 560 like this. If we write in the code, if value equal to less than 50%, turn on the light, means digital write already high. So to prove it, to see the value, I will also take a virtual terminal, means serial monitor. You can do it this one, this sorry, but you can do this one with real Arduino also, but I'm not doing it with real Arduino as it's a very simple thing. So I think Arduino is opening. So if you do it with real Arduino, then after connecting the Arduino, after uploading the code, go to serial monitor and you will see the informations here where the value 512, 500 like this. So let's write the code at first. We erase everything, declare the LED equal to 13. Okay. Now as there is a matter of value, I will take a integer of value. Value you can take any integer, but it's easier to know. I took a value, now it's done. We'll go forward setup. Forward setup. Now we will declare the pin mode. Before pin mode, let me say you as okay. I forgot to take the serial monitor. For taking the serial monitor, for showing the serial monitor in Proteus, some of you persons have seen in YouTube the people will come here, pick device and writes virtual. See, virtual terminal I have written, but it is not here. So for taking the virtual terminal, in some pieces there it will be present, but in mine it is not. So for taking the virtual terminal, you will have to come at the blank place and click the right button of your mouse. Go to place, see there is virtual instrument and click virtual terminal. Now you will see the monitor has come. It is also a serial monitor. So see there is TX and RX at the digital pin 1 and digital pin 0 of the Arduino, and also there is TXD and RXD. There is no that much use of RTS and CTS, so don't I'm not talking about this. I will just need these two for showing the information here. So I will take the TX to TX, RX to RX. Okay, now our circuit is complete. So as I am going to show the value at the serial monitor, here at verse setup, before declaring the pins, I will have to write serial dot begin. The S will be in capital letter 96. Now you will be thinking why I have written this 9600. Actually it is the baud rate, means it is the rate of the, see when I double click on the serial monitor there is 600, 960. There are also different kinds of baud rate, 550, 700, 600 like this. If I write the code, if I write in the code 9600, then I will have to select the baud rate as 9600. So keep it normal. So I have declared the serial begin and now and the baud rate. Now I will declare the pin. Pin mode. We will declare the LED as output. Okay. Now our void setup is also done. Now go for void loop. Now in void loop we will have to find the value of this variable resistance. So I will write value. There is no use of mathematical symbols here. You will just have to write means if I say to the Arduino that read this analog pin, then the Arduino will automatically get the value. So I will just write here value equal to, means I have keep the value of this variable resistance in a symbol. If you write here X, then it will work also. So as I have taken a value, I have written here analog. I said you before that if you want, then you can connect this signal pin with digital pin also. In that case you just have to write here digital read. If I write here digital read, see it will also work. Now if I write digital read, I will have to connect this pin, this wire with the digital pin. So I have not connected, I have connected with analog pin, so I will write analog read, means the Arduino will read this analog pin. So if it reads this analog pin, let me declare the pin also, analog read AO. So if it reads this analog pin, it must get a value. So I have said you that the value will be like 500, 600, 560 like this. So okay, after this I will, as I said that I will print the value in the serial monitor. I will write serial dot print ln. See see, take it seriously, you will have to write the S in capital letter and everything will be in small letter. Just follow my ways. Serial print, I will print the value in the serial monitor, so I wrote value in the first bracket. Inside it I have written the value, means the serial monitor will print this, the value of analog bit, the value that the Arduino receives. It will print the value in the serial monitor. So it is also done. Now we will have to say that if the value is less than 500, the light will turn on. So that's what we will have to write here. So as it's a conditional statement, we will write if. See, the if will be in capital small letter. If give a first bracket, as I said, the value, if the value is less than 500, the light will turn on. So here I will write value less than 500. Okay, now see, hope you are understanding. I have written if value is less than 500. Don't give any semicolon. If you give any semicolon, it will say wrong. So go down again, give a second bracket, take it, see it that I have given another second bracket inside the void loop second bracket. It is needed, it is very important. So as it is a different thing, I will have to give another second bracket. So here I will say that if value is less than 500, I say to, I will the light will turn on. So digital LED. I have already said about the system storage, so I am not talking much about it here. You can see my previous videos. So here you can see how we if value is less than 500, digital LED high. If you want to give delay, you can give. So in this, give a semicolon. Now come here at the last and go here. I said you if and else. So if this one, if the value is less than 500, the LED will turn on. If not, the LED will turn off. Means if the value is less than like 46%, that LED will turn on. If it is more than 50% or 51 like this, the LED will be turned off. So this is, we have to write. Now we have wrote if value is less than 500, the LED will be turned on. If not, then give else. Then again give a second bracket, as I said here also, digital light, digital. Hope you understand it. The code is done. That's it. And if you blah 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 like this, I have made you understand. If you have any problem, you can ask me from my Discord account. I have given the link of my Discord account, so you can ask me from there, or you can comment in the you can comment also. I will get it and then I will answer it. So here you can see I have given a conditional statement here. This is the main conditional statement. If value is less than 500, means if it goes less than 50%, oh no, if it goes less than 50%, the LED will turn on. If not, the LED will be turned off. So this is the code. We have done the code, so just compile it. If you want to save it, you can give a name and save it, but I don't want to. It's a simple code. Hope every one of you understood the code. If you suffer from any kind of problem, just ask me from the comment, or you can ask me from my Discord account. So now it's compiled, we will go to run. I have said how to upload the code. Okay, let me show you again. Click run and click type here percentage temp percentage. Okay, then you will see here search box, type .hex. As we have given here preference, go to preference, and these two compilation and upload should be tick marked. So okay, then you will get a hex file here. See, this is the hex file of this, so we will just cut it, or you can copy it also. I have just cut it. So double click on this Arduino. Our file is already here, so I will just delete it and paste the new one. So this is the new file. Click it and open. Okay, now let's run it. see, let's see if it works. Okay, now we can see there's a serial monitor here. Hope you are seeing this one, and there's a serial monitor. See? Okay, let me show you again. I don't know why the value is not. I think there's something problem. RX. Okay, wait. The value should be shown. But it's not. Let's play it now. Nope, it's not showing any value. Okay, let's keep it like normal. TX, RX, okay. No need to show the value. The value has got it automatically. Okay, now see, it is 50%. Okay, now if I increase it, nothing is happening. If I decrease it, now it's 50%. See, hope you are seeing this. It's so interesting that it is following my commands. See, it is now 48% and the light is turned on. If I again go to 50%, it is turning off. So this is the conditional statement. This is the use of conditional statement. You will need this conditional statement in any kind of code. Suppose if you want to make a smart dustbin, if any people comes on in front of it, the dustbin opens the gate of it. So like this you will need this conditional statement. So hope you understand the code, and if you have any problem please ask me in the comment, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel because I need to grow my channel like yours. If you don't have, you should have one. And that's for today. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, give a like and give a comment. Goodbye, see you later.